Typhoon Mangkhut is being called the King of Storms after causing severe damage in the Philippines, Hong Kong, and parts of China. Rwanda's President Paul Kagame pardons more than 2,000 prisoners. Mexico observes the anniversaries of 2 earthquakes. One earthquake killed 350 people in 2017, and another in 1985 resulted in 10,000 deaths. And Peruvian President Martín Vizcarra threatens to close the country's legislative branch if Congress does not approve constitutional reforms to deal with corruption.